Hello my friends, KO number 92 is here, and we are starting good, or rather bad? We see an SUV exiting some private ground, and instead of waiting until those many cars have left, he tries to somehow squeeze into traffic. At some point he realizes how this whole thing isn't really working out and seems to grow a little desperate. As our man is approaching, he starts to move forward and wants to go where exactly? But the camera driver keeps calm and sane and pulls back for clearing the situation quickly. But the SUV driver doesn't seem interested in clearing anything and rather wants to mess with the van driver. This is quite the mess to observe. I don't know what's going on, just enjoy the madness.
Jetzt lass ihn doch einfach fahren, mein Gott. Oh, seid ihr alle doof, ey. Oh, ist das schwierig.
What's your opinion, people? To me, this is one of those absolutely pointless things to do in traffic. It doesn't matter if mistake or intentional, just let the other one go and all is good. But people always need to stand their ground, even when it's totally pointless. Dark clothing and no lights. 60% of all cyclists in a nutshell. Gladly, you rarely see this with cars, but sadly, it does happen.
Hallo.
Oh, look at this keep-out area. It attracts people like a magnet. Oh, there he is. What a display of incompetent passing, not only in a corner, but halfway remaining in our lane. In this situation here, the other side of the freeway is totally jammed, so you better take care of people developing some weird ideas. Some cars entering the freeway, and on the right lane are only slow trucks, so it should be rather easy to properly accelerate and get in front of the trucks. But easy is still too hard for some people. And where some people are too slow, others are pretty damn fast.
Als Freudinsdämon. Die Art und Weise, wie sie durch den Park stapfte, mit zielstrebigen Schritten.
Here we got a rather unfortunate situation. The van ahead there wants to turn left, which the van driver passing could not make out when he started to overtake. Dude, they are coming for you! Go, go, go! Watch out, the specialist is among us. Missed your exit? Sure, just pull back. There's absolutely no danger involved in that. I am getting some Sierra Nevada vibes here. Bigger vehicle, bigger right of way. And a car is bigger than a motorbike, go figure. Checking for traffic? Ah, never mind. Driving this lovely little road at night, what could possibly go wrong? Some big rocks on the road are pretty wrong. They are a serious danger for all motorists. So the camera driver does the right thing, turn around and clear the road of those obstacles. I have done such things many times too, and I encourage you to do the same. You never know whose property or even health you are protecting with such an action. We got a red light here, when the person in front of us suddenly realizes that they are your majesty, and traffic lights are only for peasants.
Extra bezahlt.
It's a nice day for a ride. And a nice day for killing yourself. To the left side, there is an exit of a parking ground. What was happening? Is it a case of obliviousness? I don't think so, really. It seems to me like the mirrors of the truck were perfectly obscuring us from the view of the driver. However, that is why he should move around in there, to look past his mirrors. A trucker should be aware of that. This scene here does not contain any matter of view obstruction, but you still see how people will miss a red light in any situation. There comes the sudden exit. Getting into position behind our car is not up to debate. Violating safety distances hard is the way to go. Leaving an exit way late isn't really that much better though. In the following case here, it's the worst possible way how to do this.
Bitte 7 Kilometer dem Straßenverlauf folgen.
This stupid motherfucker gets very close to crashing into 3 different cars within seconds, instead of just following the exit and making a little detour back to the freeway. Grade A example how those crashes happen, which end up blocking a whole freeway for a day or two. Always great to meet those people who just don't understand to keep a junction clear for other vehicles which want to enter it. The blue sign tells us that all drivers must go straight, and any driver with a functioning brain should realize why that is the case here.
Das kannst du vergessen, Junge.
He tries hard, but even that isn't enough. Many one-way streets in Germany have an additional sign which says that cyclists can go both directions. When entering the one-way street, another sign informs drivers about that. But our man here still receives a stupid comment from the passenger of that car here.
Fahrradfahrer frei. Da steht Fahrradfahrer frei. Lernen Sie Auto fahren. Oh, kein Kommentar.
Learning how to drive? Oh, the irony, because that was a driving school and the stupid comment came from the driving instructor. We are driving around in winter here, and while the weather is nice and clear, there is still something coming from above that you should be aware of. A block of ice. First, I'd like to point out that our driver doesn't have proper distance, even if it looks quite far in the footage, but it's definitely too close. And concerning the incident, it's an eternal dilemma, because drivers are not allowed to start their trip with ice on top by law, refusing to drive will risk their job, climbing the roof is also not allowed due to work safety issues, scaffoldings for maintaining the roof are very rare to find, and hitting the ice off of the roof from inside often isn't possible as well. At least a happy ending in this case, the ice did not do any damage to the car. Same driver, same day, few hours later. He's plenty busy, it seems. Now we've got another case of damn, there's a red light. But why do I care? Because I am a majesty and this stupid light is not for me. And look at this weirdo here, standing at the green light until it turns red to then run it. Ridiculousness level over 9,000!
Da liegt schon ein Handy noch. Dein Handy liegt da noch.
I don't know how this person came to fall, but it seems like everything's fine. Being unsure about where to go? We didn't see that for minutes! His overreacting tells you that the driver of the black car isn't the best one. But you don't know yet that he's also a dirty and vindictive scumbag. Priority to right is theoretically a very simple concept, right? No priority to right here. What about some road rage now? Why raging when you can laugh your ass off? Being on a relaxed night ride when observing something rather unusual.
Die Tür ist auf!
The driver understood, and so our man was preventing that he's entering the freeway in this fashion. Look at this! Red lights have the ability to turn scooters into trams!
deinen Leuten nicht paid dues. It's used here to entertain. Du gehst als Volk.
I could be wrong, but I am missing bad passes today. Ah, there we go. Sudden exit, you know the drill. Ooh, look at the duck! Oh, the duck is gone. And you know what? I am about to be gone as well. Yeah, I'm sorry, but that's how it is. You can still go on watching our stuff, there's plenty of it. And it doesn't matter if you have already seen it all, you can watch some again. You certainly don't remember it all, do you? In any case, that's it for today. See you next week. Have a good time.